Okay. Okay, put it over there. Yeah, put it in the seat. That's okay. He's on his way. He's watching. He did, okay. Alrighty. Okay. Woo! Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, you got a bunch. Uh-huh. You only got 3 left. See if you can get them. Okay, you got a sleeper. You get it. You can get it. Yeah. Gregory Carter. And, okay. Okay. Woo! Uh-oh, that's okay. Okay. You can do it. Uh-huh. Yeah. Your Uncle Tony and your Uncle Joey. And your Uncle Robert, man. Your Uncle Robert can bowl like nobody's business.
Hey, Mom.
Uh-huh. Alrighty. Oh yeah, come on you. What you got there? Oh, one of them still stood up. It gets fuzzy if you try and... Oh well, that's okay. Alright, you got one more. You can get it. Gregory who? Ah, Gregory Carter, Gregory Boytnott. Okay. Roger. Uncle Robert. Okay, you can get that. You ready, Bob? You only got 1 pin down there. See if you can get it. Alright, good try then. Woo! You got a spare. High five. High five. Come and give me a high five. Yeah, high five. High five. Alright, come on.
Am I insane?
Yeah, you got a high. Yeah, it did. Alright, go ahead. Who's watching? Uncle Robert? Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. What? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it should have been. It should have been. You got 1 left again. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. It's do like you did last time. You got that pin last time. Yep, one pin's left. Yeah. Yep, Gregory Carter and Gregory Boitnott. Okay. They're watching you, kiddo. On my phone. Alrighty. Woo! 2 in a row? 2 in a row? High five. High five. Uh-huh. High five, yeah. Roger, okay.
Yeah, way on.
Hope he can do as good as you can.
Hey, Mama, clap for him.
You're gonna clap for him? Okay.
Yeah, Brian, come on.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, they'll watch you bowl. I'm gonna tell you what, your hell's a-popping today. All right, come on. Okay. Uh-huh. You are one happy fella, kiddo. Everybody. Gregory Carter, Gregory Boitnott, Gregory Smith, Greg. Who's Nick's daddy? Greg Whitty. He's watching too. Maybe we can get Greg to come and bowl with you. That would be cool. Think we, Greg Whitty, Greg Carter, and Greg Boitnott. Alright, you got a bunch down there that you got to knock down. And then I can't hold this anymore. Everybody. Everybody, everybody. Woo! Uh-oh. I guess it's time to quit recording.